Hey, you didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to my channel. This video is about finding niches and audiences for affiliate marketing using Digistore24. Digistore24 affiliate marketing, finding audiences and niche markets. Okay, that's what this video is about. So like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Do you already have a niche? Are you looking for a niche? Do you not know how to find a niche? We're going to show you a couple of quick methods on how to find a niche really quick. Okay, so let's jump right inside. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Everything is valuable. Time is valuable. My time is valuable. So let's get going. Okay, finding niches or audiences for affiliate marketing using Digistore24. Now, Digistore24, if you didn't know about Digistore24, it is the newest player on the block for affiliate marketing. ClickBank, look out because you're oversaturated. Every affiliate marketer, every newbie, every seasoned marketer has got you saturated. Digistore24 it's the largest European affiliate marketing platform out there right now, and they just opened back in November 2019. They just opened up in the United States, so it's not saturated. The products are good. We're going to use Digistore24, and I'm going to show you how to find a niche. Now, they say a niche. The riches are in the niches. Okay, so that's the cool thing. The riches are in the niches. Now you want what's called an evergreen niche. Now, an evergreen niche is something that's going to be always searchable, whether it's Christmas time or summertime or whatever season it is. It's not something it's not a trend. Okay, it's something that's always going to be in demand. And the three big ones are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so health, wealth, and relationships are your tried and true evergreen niches, but don't narrow yourself down, because over here on the right are all of the niches, niches, potato, tomato, whatever you want to call it. It's a niche. Okay, I call it a niche. So the riches are in the niches, like I said. So health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, but again, if you have a sports niche or a betting niche or look at computer and internet, dancing, love, education, family and kids, fitness, food and drinks, games and fun, green products. Okay, and they're coming out with new products every day. The products are good products. Let's go to we're going to go to business and investments. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go to business and investments. Now, cryptocurrency. Now, I'm going to go back down here now. Sales rank on this one. You click here. So it's number one in business and investments. It's the top rating product in business and investments category. It's number three in digital products, number three in all products on Digistore is number three. Okay. Conversion rate is 26%. Cancellation rate is 15%. Okay. So hold on a second. I'm getting ahead of myself. When you're looking for these offers, okay, you're going to look for an affiliate sales page. You're going to look for an affiliate support page. It's going to help you with affiliate marketing. But now we're looking for a niche. We're going to see, how do we find if it's a profitable niche? Okay, one of the places I like to go is Google Trends. Okay, Google has so many tools to help you as an affiliate marketer. Google Trends is just one of them. So if we go over here and cryptocurrency, okay. Now, if we search cryptocurrency, you can see from July 2019 until now, it's pretty much at 50%, hovers the line at 50%, 45%, 42%, goes up as high over here as 63%. Just this month, it's back up to 71%. So it goes up and down, but it never drops below 50%. Okay, interest. That's an evergreen niche. That would be something that I would look into. If you're looking for a niche, cryptocurrency, and you might say to yourself, cryptocurrency is saturated. There's a new product. All right, now I'm going to show you something. Cart conversions. Okay, cart conversions. We always talk about sending 1,000 clicks. Okay, so you're going to send 1,000 visitors to the website. So now they're saying, let me move this over here. Okay, so they're saying 26%. So that's times 0.26. All right, that's 260 sales. Okay, now 260. So hey, wait a minute. Cancellation rate is 15%. Okay, so let's go and say we got 260. We made 260 sales. 260 sales. But now 15% of them are going to cancel. So we're going to 15% of those people are going to cancel. So that's 39 people. So 39 people are going to cancel. Okay, so 260. You're going to minus the 39 people that are going to cancel. So you made 221 sales. Now earnings per sale is 235. So you're going to times that by 235, right? So you've made $51,900 from sending 1,000 clicks to this. Now they're telling you, now I told you that the conversion rate and the cancellation rate. So all you got to do is get those 1,000 clicks to their webpage with your affiliate link. Okay, now you're going to need a landing page. And, I go through a bunch of stuff like that on my other on my other videos. Subscribe to the channel because it's all about making money online, sales funnels, email marketing, ways to make money online. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you how to make money online and using the Digistore24 platform with these brand new products that are good products. Okay, now, and this is just one product. So I'm telling you how to get a niche. So you've searched the niche, you've found something that interested you, you've gone to Google Trends and you've searched on Google Trends and you found out that it's an evergreen product and you want to go with it. And so now you're going to promote it. So you got to find yourself a landing page. You got to get yourself some software. I use Builderall. You can get ClickFunnels. You can get any other, you can do Wix. You can do WordPress, but whatever web page you're building. But if you want to learn how I'm doing it and what I'm using Builderall. There'll be a link for a 14-day free trial in the description. And of course, if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, there's always the free course. It takes about an hour to go through the 5 videos. It'll show you about affiliate marketing, how to get started and be profitable. Okay, so click those 2 links. Join, subscribe to the channel because I'm telling you how to make money online. All you got to do is put 2 and 2 together and find yourself a niche. So now you got fitness niche, you got all these other niches here. All you got to do is find something that converts, and leave a comment below if you want to learn how to build a landing page. I'll be glad to go through that as well. If you want to know more about ads, leave a comment. Say, I need to know more about social media ads, whether it's Facebook, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Google, or even Bing. We can touch on that. I have some videos touching on that. Search my channel, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Hit the bell icon, and get started. There's so much to learn, and this is easy stuff. Okay, it's a lot to learn. You got to trial and error. You got to test things. You got to run tests. It's going to cost some money. You're going to run some tests with ads to figure out what's converting. Now, I just said the cart conversion down here is 26%, but you got to drive them to that site. So how are you going to get them from your site to that site? Your site has to be a conversion. You have to get a high conversion on your site. Now, that's through trial and error. You got to get high conversions on your ads. That's through trial and error. That's through headlines. That's through copy. That's through the body of the ad. There's a whole bunch of different things, even the audience. Okay, the audience is very important. They say the key to affiliate marketing is to have the right product in front of the right audience at the right price at the right time. You can do that and you'll be an internet millionaire overnight. Overnight millionaire takes 10 years, but it's still overnight, right? That's what they say. Okay, so I hope you learned something finding a niche or an audience for affiliate marketing in 2020 using Digistore24. Okay, so if you've learned something, like and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. If you want to ask questions on how to maybe search on a certain search term, leave a comment below. I'll be glad to help you. All right, so subscribe to the channel. I got other videos coming out on affiliate marketing, how to use Digistore24 to really corner the market on some of these products. These products are new, they're good products, and it's time to be ahead of the curve. Okay, get ahead of the curve. Okay, join me now.
Andrew is a digital marketing professional and works as an affiliate. As a digital marketing professional, Andrew was used to spending hundreds of dollars every month buying many different tools. Things changed when he found out about Builderall. By adopting our platform, he saved both time and money, since all the tools he needed were within Builderall's unlimited system. Andrew can create dozens of funnels to build lists with capture pages, split testing, and conversion stats. He is also capturing, managing, automating, and sending unlimited numbers of marketing emails. Today, Andrew has more than 50,000 emails registered in different niches and can sell his products and promote launches every week using Builderall's webinar tool. With Builderall, Andrew has everything he needs in one place. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your $1 million idea into a $1 million business.